Hi, this video is here to help you with finding the volume of a three-dimensional shape by counting cubes. Before we get started, let's remind ourselves what volume is. Volume is a measure of three-dimensional space. We often use it to measure the space inside a three-dimensional shape. Volume can be measured in cubic units, such as cubic centimetres or cubic metres. We will use cubic centimetres to measure the volume of three-dimensional shapes in our examples. If a three-dimensional shape is presented in a way that shows a shape is divided into cubic units, we can work out the volume of the shape by counting cubes. In this cuboid, each cube is 1 cubic centimetre. There are 8 cubes in each layer and 2 equal layers. So the volume of the cuboid is 16 cubic centimetres. Sometimes the cubes within a three-dimensional shape are not so easy to count. When counting cubes, it is important that we include cubes that cannot easily be seen. For example, with this shape, we cannot see all of the cubes, but we can tell that they are there because of the other cubes sitting on top of them. If we were to separate the cubes, we can see that there are 24 cubes. If we cannot separate the cubes, then we need to be able to count what we can see, but also what we can't see. Even though we cannot see all of the cubes, we know that the bottom layer has been arranged as 5 cubes by 3 cubes, which is 15 cubes. We can count what is on the top layer, which is 9 cubes. So the total number of cubes would be 15 from the bottom layer, add 9 from the top layer, which equals 24 cubes. We would therefore say that this shape has a volume of 24 cubic centimetres. Take a look at these 3 shapes. Each cube is 1 cubic centimetre. Can you calculate the volume of each shape and then order them from the greatest volume to the smallest volume? Remember to count the cubes you can see and the cubes that you cannot see. Pause here and have a go, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. Have you finished? Perfect, here are the answers. Shape A has a volume of 26 cubic centimetres. Shape B has a volume of 25 cubic centimetres. And shape C has a volume of 24 cubic centimetres. Therefore, shape A has the greatest volume, followed by shape B, and finally shape C has the smallest volume. Now, I think you're ready for a challenge. Let's take a look. Shen thinks that both of these shapes put together will have the same volume as Emily's cuboid. Is Shen correct? And can you prove it? Pause the video here and have a go at the question, and then press play again when you're ready to continue. Have you finished? Well done, here's the answer. Each layer of Emily's cuboid has 4 rows of 3 cubes, so 12 cubes. There are 4 layers, so we multiply 12 by 4, which equals 48. So Emily's cuboid has a volume of 48 cubic centimetres. The first shape has a volume of 25 cubic centimetres. The second shape has a volume of 21 cubic centimetres. The total volume of both shapes is 46 cubic centimetres. So Shen is incorrect because Emily's cuboid has a volume of 48 cubic centimetres and the 2 shapes have a total volume of 46 cubic centimetres. I hope this video helped you understand how to find the volume of a three-dimensional shape by counting cubes. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out?